Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my new journaling Bible that I received for Christmas. This is called the NIV Journal the Word Bible, and if you'd like to see an unboxing video, I did that one last Wednesday, so I will put the link for that down below. Today I will be journaling in Jeremiah 29, verse 11, where it says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." And I think this is an appropriate verse for the new year because people are setting their New Year's resolutions and we want a fresh start to go ahead and do some things that we've never done before, or maybe a restart on things we've tried and things that didn't happen. So this is just a verse that reminds us that if we have Christ in our lives, He will give us a fresh start every time. We may do things, and we all do things that we know that are wrong, and we all have sin in our lives, but God will forgive us from our sins, and He'll give us a do-over. So that, I just love this verse. So what I want to do today, I want to try out just something different. And so I found some thin washi I had in my stash. I'm going to use it for my technique, but then I'm going to end up taking this off the page. So it doesn't matter what color it is if you wanted to try this technique. And then I have my watercolors here. These are just a simple pack that I picked up at the Daiso store. So they were $1.50. And then I have a brush. It's like a 1/2-inch brush. And then I have my Tombow lettering set. I'm just going to be using one of those in there to do some lettering. So I want to do some watercolor blocking. And it's just something, I think I may have done this as a kid using watercolor paper, where you actually take masking tape on a big sheet of watercolor paper, and you mask off different areas on the paper, like geometric shapes and things. And so I wanted to do that in my entry, just using tiny thin washi, and just make it look cool, and then go over on the side here with a part of the verse. I think I'm just going to write in the very first part of the verse where it says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord," because I don't think I'll be able to write it all, in the calligraphy style of lettering on the side and include everything in there. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and get some stuff set up and we'll get started. All right, so here's how it turned out. I really love this. It was such a fun technique and super easy. The only thing I wanted to tell you was that when you go to pull your washi tape up, if you're having problems with it pulling up some of the paper, use your heat gun and go over the top of it, and it helps it to pull it up so it doesn't rip. The first piece that I pulled off kind of pulled off my lettering a little bit here, but then after that, when I was using the heat gun to do it, it just peeled right off. And usually the washi tape is kind of like blue tape to where it'll peel off pretty easy, but that washi tape evidently was some good stuff because it wanted to stick. So yeah, I really love this. I love this combination of colors. So super pretty. Still practicing my lettering with those Tombow markers. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.